Hello, and welcome back, friends, to the Craft and Fix channel. Today, we're tackling a very common problem, a broken shoe. But we're not just fixing it, we're doing it with an easy, practical, and incredibly effective method. We're going to start by preparing a powerful multi-purpose adhesive. This is a DIY homemade glue that can literally bond almost anything you can think of. It's cost-free, and if stored in an airtight container, it has a long shelf life. First, we need two key ingredients: a quantity of gasoline, and some styrofoam. So, let's begin the process of making our own foam-based adhesive to give these shoes a new lease on life. This remarkable adhesive isn't just for shoes. It can also bond a variety of other materials like wood, ceramic, plastic, and leather. You can even use it to seal cracks, prevent leaks and moisture penetration, and coat wood surfaces for water and rain resistance. The most surprising part? This glue is extremely strong, yet the preparation process is incredibly simple. Before we continue, we'd love to know, where are you tuning in from? Please take a moment and leave a comment to let us know. We are thrilled to connect with people all over the world. If you haven't already, please show your support by hitting that subscribe button. I am truly grateful for your continued encouragement. Before applying, use sandpaper to thoroughly clean off any old, flaking glue residue. If you have any new project ideas, don't hesitate to share your thoughts in the comment section below. This process transforms them into a truly multi-purpose adhesive that significantly enhances bonding strength. Now for the moment of truth. We are going to test the strength of this homemade adhesive. The glue bonds exceptionally well. It is remarkably strong. What do you think of the results? Please leave your comments and feedback below. We welcome all your questions. Don't forget to like and subscribe to the channel to stay updated. Have a wonderful time. Thank you so much for watching.